Did you know that one of the oldest and most versatile oils known to mankind is sitting probably right now in your medicine cabinet? Yes, we're talking about castor oil. This golden liquid, often overlooked, has a rich history that dates back to the times of ancient civilizations. Originating from the Mediterranean region, the castor oil plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis, was a staple in traditional medicine. The Egyptians, known for their advanced knowledge in health and wellness, were among the first to recognize the oil's potential. They used it not just for its healing properties, but also for beauty and skin care. Fast forward through the centuries, and we find castor oil making a name for itself in various cultures around the globe. From the Greeks to the Indians, from the Chinese to the Persians, this humble oil has infused its power into countless traditional remedies and rituals. But let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, it's true. Castor oil is not exactly known for its pleasant taste. In fact, it's often described as having a strong, somewhat bitter flavor. Yet despite this, it has been used as a potent remedy for various ailments for centuries, a testament to its effectiveness, don't you think? This seemingly ordinary oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that gives castor oil its extraordinary healing properties. It's this unique composition that makes castor oil a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. And isn't it surprising that such an overlooked item can pack such a punch? It just goes to show that sometimes the most powerful remedies are hiding in plain sight. And that's the story of castor oil, an unassuming hero sitting right in your medicine cabinet, ready to come to your rescue. So, are you ready to uncover the myriad of health benefits this incredible oil can offer? Stay tuned as we delve into the amazing health benefits of castor oil. From boosting your immune system to promoting skin health, the benefits of castor oil are truly astonishing. Let's delve into the myriad of health benefits that castor oil has to offer. First and foremost, castor oil is a powerful immune booster. It stimulates the production of lymphocytes, the body's natural defense cells, helping your body build a stronger line of defense against harmful pathogens. So the next time you're feeling a bit under the weather, remember, a dose of castor oil could be your ticket to a healthier you. Moving on, let's talk about skin health. Castor oil is brimming with ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid known for its moisturizing properties. It penetrates deep into the skin, hydrating it from within and leaving it soft and supple. But the benefits don't stop at hydration. Castor oil also promotes the production of elastin and collagen, the proteins responsible for keeping our skin firm and youthful. So if you're looking for a natural way to fight the signs of aging, castor oil might just be your secret weapon. But what about hair health? Well, castor oil has that covered too. It nourishes the scalp, stimulates hair growth, and even combats dandruff. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair or just want a natural way to keep your locks luscious, castor oil is a potent ally. Interestingly, castor as a natural laxative. It stimulates the small intestine, encouraging bowel movement and aiding in the relief of constipation. It's a gentle and natural way to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Lastly, castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can be applied topically to soothe inflamed skin, fight off bacteria, and even reduce pain. It's a natural remedy that's been used for centuries, and it's still just as effective today. As you can see, castor oil is not just an oil. It's a natural remedy for a variety of health concerns. Now that we've skimmed the surface, let's dive deeper into how castor oil accomplishes all these health benefits. Castor oil's impressive resume of benefits can be attributed to its rich composition. This humble oil is packed with fatty acids, the most notable being ricinoleic acid, which makes up a whopping 90% of its constitution. This unique compound is the secret behind castor oil's potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When applied topically, it seeps into your skin, reducing inflammation and relieving pain at the source. But the magic of castor oil doesn't stop on the surface. When ingested, it offers a slew of internal benefits. Its laxative properties, for instance, can be traced back to the way it interacts with our digestive system. The ricinoleic acid in the oil binds to the muscle cells in the intestinal walls, causing them to contract and aid in bowel movement. This makes castor oil a natural and effective remedy for constipation. Then, there's the role it plays in boosting our immune system. Castor oil has been found to increase the count of fight off infections more effectively. And let's not forget about its external benefits. The fatty acids in castor oil are fantastic at hydrating and nourishing our skin and hair. They lock in moisture, preventing dryness and promoting a healthy, radiant glow. Plus, they also stimulate hair growth, making your locks thicker and shinier. In the grand scheme of things, castor oil is more than just an oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that works in tandem with our bodies to promote health and well-being. Whether it's soothing aching muscles, aiding digestion, boosting immunity, or beautifying our skin and hair, castor oil proves to be a versatile addition to our health regimen. As we've seen, the health benefits of castor oil are not just skin deep. It works on so many levels to boost our overall health. In a world filled with expensive medications and treatments, isn't it comforting to know that a simple, affordable remedy lies within your reach? As we draw our exploration to a close, let's take a moment to recap the fascinating health benefits of castor oil, a humble yet powerful natural remedy. Firstly, castor oil has proven to be a powerful ally in boosting the immune system. Its unique chemical composition stimulates the body's natural defenses, helping you resist disease and recover more swiftly. Just think, such a simple substance, yet it packs a punch in safeguarding your health. Moving on to the exterior, castor oil is a champion for skin and hair health. It moisturizes and nourishes, leaving your skin glowing and your hair lustrous. It's like a beauty salon in a bottle, a secret weapon in your beauty regimen that goes beyond superficial aesthetics to promote health at a cellular level. It's also worth noting that castor oil serves as a natural laxative, providing relief from constipation. It's gentle on your system yet effective, making it a preferable alternative to harsh over-the-counter laxatives. It's amazing how this unassuming oil can bring such comfort and relief. But that's not all. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties deserve a mention too. Whether it's soothing inflamed skin or fighting off bacteria, castor oil is an unsung hero in our ongoing battle against everyday health issues. It's like having a mini pharmacy right in your own home. In conclusion, castor oil is more than just a household item. It's a veritable treasure trove of health benefits. Its potential for enhancing our well-being is remarkable, a testament to the healing power of nature. So, next time you overlook that bottle of castor oil in your cabinet, remember the powerful health benefits it holds. It's more than just an oil, it's nature's gift to your health. Now, before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment and head on over to our blog and pick up your free home remedy book with over 2,000 homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free and I know you will love it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video, as we're posting new natural health and nutrition content every week. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching and have a great day or night.